What is up guys, Dan in this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to a non-Steam game to the Steam VR. So first off, you need to install the Steam application and then sign up or log in with your Steam account. And after signing up or logging in, this is what the application will look like. From here, hover to this library tab and then click on home. Now from here on the left side at the bottom, you will see the option of add a game. Click on this and then click on add a non-Steam game. Then a pop-up window will appear wherein it will show you all the files and games in your computer. You can choose that particular VR game file by just checking on this checkbox, and when you are done, you will see this pop-up in add selected programs. Click on that and then your VR game will be added to your Steam's VR or game library. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.